I'm Jason, and this is Cooking with Jason, and I'm in Colombia, Guatape, Colombia, known for this big rock. And spaghetti. No, not spaghetti. Spaghetti is what I'm making. However, it's Colombian spaghetti, because I'm using chorizo. I already got some butter simmering away here. Are there any more lights in here? No. Whatever, we're cooking. Making my own spaghetti sauce. I've never done it before, but I have tomatoes, chorizo, garlic, herbs, and whatever this is. So the first thing you should do is you should always spread your ingredients out all over the counter because it makes it super easy to cook. Let's do 4 for good measure. Take the flat side of your knife and then just crack it. Now you can. All right, let's go. Put this back on the heat. There's really not a whole lot of lighting in here, is there? Aha! Since I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just gonna dice these. I've already messed this up. When in doubt, just throw that knife around. Part of the problem is that I do a lot of these in Airbnbs, and I don't know what kind of utensils I'm gonna have. Why does stuff keep falling on the floor? I didn't do that. Tomato seeds. Oh, that's a knife. This is gonna form the base of the sauce, I hope. If it works, I'll take all the credit. Spices. Gonna add some of these spices. Actually don't know what these are. Smells good, that's a plus. Oregano. Well, it's got oregano in it. And it's green. Yeah. Why do I always do these when my hair is... Just sprinkle some of that in there. What am I looking for? What am I looking for? Yes. All right, we got the tomatoes simmering. I'm gonna put a lid on it, and these are probably gonna simmer for a while. I was thinking like an hour. Every now and then, just open that pot and give it a little stir. Look at that. You know what? This might actually work. It smells pretty good. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. Why am I smelling the lid? Why am I, what? Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Why is it yellow? So if you're watching my video on milk in Colombia, you'll know that something was wrong. Is it supposed to be chunky like this? Well, that's milk. And now I'm a little worried about this chorizo because they both came out of the same refrigerator. Let's cook them up and throw them in there. Because of the questionable temperature of the fridge in which the chorizo came from, we're not sure if we're gonna put it in the sauce. I don't trust it. Since we're afraid of the chorizo, this really isn't much of a Colombian dish, it's more of an Italian dish, but so the sauce got really thick, I turned it off, so we just gotta get this water boiling. I'm just gonna boil noodles, which is not very difficult, but I'll show you anyways. Here's my 5-second how to boil noodles. Water, boiling, noodle, open. There you have it. Spaghetti or something. It's starting to smell good in here. so I know what I'm doing. Is this in focus? I can't tell. Oh no!